The greatest threat to our planet, the very place we call home, is the passive belief that someone else, somewhere else, will step in and save it, that somehow, without our individual action, the problems will magically resolve themselves. Genesis 2-15 reminds us a timeless piece of wisdom. The Lord God put man in the Garden of Eden, a paradise of natural beauty and abundance, to work it, to nurture it, and to take care of it with responsibility and love. We are called to be stewards of this earth. Even something as routine as laundry is an act of stewardship, a chance to honor our commitment to the planet. Our daily choices, no matter how small they seem, truly matter. They accumulate, creating a ripple effect. Washing clothes uses water, a precious resource that we must conserve, energy, contributing to our overall carbon footprint, and releases microfibers, tiny plastic particles, into the environment, polluting our waterways and harming wildlife. By consciously rethinking our laundry habits, by making informed decisions, we can significantly reduce our environmental footprint and lessen our impact on the earth. We can actively care for the earth, protecting its delicate ecosystems and preserving its beauty for future generations. Every single load is a chance, an opportunity to make a positive change, to contribute to a healthier, more sustainable world. It's a chance to create a brighter future for our home, this earth, and for our planet, the only one we have. Every shirt, every pair of socks, every seemingly insignificant item in your laundry basket holds a hidden story, a narrative that extends far beyond just cleanliness. It's a story woven with threads of environmental impact, resource consumption, and the choices we make every time we toss a load into the washing machine. It's a story that begins with water, the lifeblood of our planet, and a crucial component of our daily routines. Washing machines, while convenient, can be surprisingly thirsty appliances. They can guzzle up to 40 gallons of water per load, depending on the machine's efficiency and the cycle you choose. That's a significant amount of water, especially when you consider how frequently many of us do laundry. And all that water doesn't just disappear. It carries with it a cocktail of chemicals from our detergents and fabric softeners. These chemicals, along with tiny plastic microfibers shed from synthetic clothing, find their way into our waterways, contributing to pollution and harming aquatic life. These microfibers are so small that they often bypass filtration systems, posing a long-term threat to our ecosystems. Heating water, of course, requires energy. And running dryers, those seemingly indispensable machines, are major energy drains, consuming significant amounts of electricity to tumble and dry our clothes. This energy consumption contributes to our overall carbon footprint, releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere and exacerbating climate change. The rise of fast fashion and the culture of frequent washing contribute to a shorter lifespan for our clothes. We buy more, wash more, and ultimately discard more. This constant cycle of consumption and disposal feeds a growing mountain of textile waste, filling up landfills and further straining our planet's resources. But the good news is that eco-friendly laundry isn't just about using green detergent. It's a holistic approach to cleaning our clothes with the planet in mind. It's about consciously choosing to wash less frequently, opting for smarter washing techniques like cold water cycles, and extending the life of our garments through proper care and repair, making clothes last longer. By making mindful laundry choices, we can actively conserve precious resources like water and energy. These choices also play a crucial role in reducing pollution, protecting our ecosystems, and safeguarding the health of our planet. Every load of laundry presents a chance to shift our perspective, moving away from a mindset of mere convenience towards a commitment to conservation and sustainability. Want to make your laundry routine greener? Start with the basics. Only wash full loads, save water and energy with every cycle. Switch to cold water. Modern detergents work just as well, and you'll cut energy use dramatically. Hand wash delicate or lightly soiled items to avoid unnecessary machine cycles. Pre-soak stains to reduce the need for heavy-duty hot washes. Small changes in how and when we wash add up to big environmental benefits. After washing your clothes, the next step in your laundry routine presents a fantastic opportunity to embrace energy conservation. Drying is your next opportunity to save energy and reduce your environmental impact. It's a simple yet effective way to contribute to a greener planet. Air drying outside, harnessing the power of the sun and the breeze, or indoors, perhaps on a drying rack in a well-ventilated room, significantly cuts your laundry's carbon footprint, minimizing your contribution to greenhouse gas emissions. Plus, it's gentler on fabrics, helping them last longer and maintaining their quality. If you must use a dryer due to time constraints or weather conditions, there are still ways to minimize its impact. Add wool dryer balls to speed up drying time, reducing energy consumption and softening your clothes naturally. And skip chemical softeners, opting for eco-friendly alternatives that are better for your clothes, your skin, and the environment. Extend your clothes' life by mending small tears or replacing missing buttons, giving them a new lease on life. Make a conscious decision to repair instead of tossing them, preventing unnecessary waste. Simple repairs actively fight fast fashion's throwaway culture, promoting a more sustainable approach to clothing consumption. This helps keep textiles out of landfills, reducing pollution and conserving valuable resources. Every time you choose to air dry your clothes or mend a tear, no matter how small, you're actively making a sustainable choice that benefits both your wardrobe and the planet. The story doesn't end when clothes wear out. Choose natural fibers and quality over quantity when shopping. Donate or resell clothes you no longer wear. Keep them in use and out of landfills. Get creative. Upcycle old garments into rags, bags, or crafts. Recycle worn-out textiles through local programs if possible. Every small act, washing cold, line drying, mending, recycling, adds up to real change. Transform laundry from a chore into a mindful practice for a healthier planet.